Hi! In front of me is Huawei Mate 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this smartphone. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then choose About Phone. And now, as you can see, all specifications are over here. If you wish to access even more, scroll all the way down and click on one of those sections, like Status, in order to, for example, access your Bluetooth address or serial number. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!